Hi, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you a strategy that you can use to scalp boom 1000 or crash 1000. This strategy will help you to get 5 to 10 of these small candlesticks, and on a standard lot size, this small candles is worth 50 cents. So if you get 5 to 10 candlesticks, let's say you get 10 candlesticks, you are going to be getting $5 from that trade. So I'm going to show you a strategy that is a little bit safe to make sure that you can scalp and get 5 to 10 candlesticks per trade. So for this strategy, you need to pay attention as I insert the indicators, because the indicators is the most important thing here, and you need to pay attention as I insert them on the chart. So the first indicator that I'm gonna use is the moving average. I will put the settings in the description below. I will put the moving average, and then for the moving average, I will put period 10, and then method 0, and then leave this tail to black. You can put red, anything you want, and then you have a moving average which looks like this. And then the next indicator that we are going to place here is the RSI, so the relative strength index. So the relative strength index, you are going to put period 14, and then you apply to close, and then make sure this tail is on the same color of your background. This is very important because we don't want to see the RSI line, we only need the zones. So for the zones, put 90 and 10 and put the color to black, pixel to 4, so that it will be clear. Then you click done, and then we have your RSI here without a line. So the next indicator that we are going to place is the MACD. So the MACD is going to be placed on top of the RSI. So you put F1, and then you go to MACD. Once you go to MACD, make sure you put the first EMA 13, then 24 and 9. Then put the colors that you want here. I'll put all the settings in the description, so make sure to check the description of this video. Then you click done. Now you have a MACD which is on top of the RSI like this. Then the next candle that you want to place here is the moving average. So you click F, then indicator 1, you come to the moving average, and then you put color to black. So period 1, apply to exponential, apply to close, and method exponential, then put it 1 pixel. So you have something like this. And then here is when to buy and when to sell. Before you do that, you need to pay attention to the zoom level. So for the zoom level, you need to use the number 2 zoom level. So from the maximum zoom level, you move going down once here. So this is the strategy. Here is when you buy and when to sell. You buy when the market, this black line here, the moving average, touches the lower side. So this is scalping. So you are trading against the spikes. So if you look at this, if you can enter at this point right here when this black line touches the number, the 10 line here, and then from there you want to scalp these candlesticks right here. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and if you want to be careful, you can exit here. But here's the exit point. You want to exit when you see this candlestick now crossing on top of the moving average. So that's your take profit, right? Remember, the boom and crash doesn't respect stop losses, so it doesn't matter here where you put the stop loss, right? Just need to monitor your trade. So you can exit number 1 when the moving average touches these candlesticks touches the moving average, or you can just count 5 candlesticks to be safe, and then you exit the trade here. So let me show you another example. You can see that the black line touches the lower side here, the 10, and then you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You see another 10 scalping candlesticks right here. And then let me show you another example when that happened here. You can see again, you can see that this this black line touched this moving average, touched the number 10, the lower side here, and then we have the market moving until it touches and crosses above the moving average. So we have a lot of examples here where that happens. Right here we have another example here. We have a lot of examples where you can see this strategy working fine. So this is the strategy. I'll put the link in the description for you to join my Telegram group and get signals and mentorship and things like that. Now tell me what you think about this video in the comments below, and watch the video that is appearing on the screen right now so that you can keep learning about forex trading and making money in the forex market.